Welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am Raman sir. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss a beautiful use of blending words. এখন তোমাদের সামনে আলোচনা করছি একটা সুন্দর blending words. অর্থাৎ what is called blending words? Blending word is a combination of two nouns. When two nouns put together and makes another type of word, that is called blending words. দুটো নাউন মিলে যখন একটা নতুন শব্দ গঠন করছে সেই শব্দটাকে হচ্ছে blending words. Now let us come to the discussion. First of all, smoke plus fog. Smoke plus fog. Smoke and fog. অর্থাৎ ধোঁয়া আর fog. এই দুটো মিলে হচ্ছে smoke. Number 2, motorway plus hotel. Motorway রাস্তা যাওয়ার পাশে হোটেল. Motel. This is called motel. This word is used nowadays vastly. এই শব্দগুলো আজকে ব্যাপকভাবে ব্যবহৃত হচ্ছে. Breakfast plus lunch. It is together. Breakfast is morning food. Lunch means afternoon food. These together called bunch. Very nice word. Breakfast plus lunch. This word is together called bunch. Spoon plus fork. Together called spork. Spoon plus fork. Together is called spork. Breath plus analyzer. Breathalyzer. Breath plus analyzer together called breathalyzer. Gasoline plus alcohol. Gasohol. So these are the fantastic examples of blending words, and you can use in your spoken as well as written English at present situation. I hope this video will be helpful a lot, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you everyone.